What's that, brother?
Get you guys next round.
You need to scan your biometrics. And then a simple wave of your hand moves your passport into my inner sight. You will be taken care of.
I'm sure the only logic is your extinction.
Attention terrorists. May I present to you terrorist attention. Place your hands now for security violations. Stand tight. Once in the system, your hands stand gives you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
Comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life in the galaxy.
Raise your hands for security clearance. And press down. The doors open for you. I now present to you Tanner Performance Private.
The guardian of the galaxy. This is all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh, man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me the leader.
Yes, because you led us into the trap.
Hey, I thought the tour sounded fun.
What name do they call me?
Drax Extraordinary. Ah, that is correct. Got his name right. Sorry. Daughter of man.
You're right inside. Stay behind the yellow line.
It says stay behind the yellow line.
Wait, there's a little crack. Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelia Tavon's private office.
Floor, once again, please make sure to stand on the graded floor. Welcome in, Sharon.
Are you allowed to be here? This is private. He said that
There's the TV.
Ah.
it's private. He's going to be mad.
Addie, stand over here.
See it. See? Goes up there. Watch right above the TV too. Right comes out.
A what?
Right. Watch right above the TV.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
I'll leave him alone. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy let's you this guy. Hearing you incessant slandering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ow! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket. One of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance, and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
He says he doesn't have any
Take
thing,
this.
so
Now move it.
I would be so like traumatized. Not a scary ride.
it's like a frog house.
What?
A frog house. Takes the stairs. Daddy! I spotted that. Daddy! I spotted it!
I gotta find a spot for Chris to get them in. How many years?
Okay, raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Row 2, your middle right. Why are you following
Oh
us?
my god.
You're an ominous figure. Oh no, I'm gonna be so much.
Put up both hands up. Just tell them I'm yellow tapped on your right hand side. Broken take their exciting piece. Goodbye.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
The rocket unhooks you and starts things rocking. Show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll. Okay, I got
at all. Should be thanking me. Thank Drax.
Welcome back here. Please gather your belongings.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through.
Oh.
Should have got the cool one.